Unyaka lomusha lo ngihamba ngivakala Maswati.
Uhle ungathi uyahlaza Nkosi, mhlambe na ungake uthole another position but nje uhluvakala but uhluhlaza.
Okay. Nalo njani yalo. Solo kuyabhetha che.
Ungcono Nkosi lapho.
Okay. Thank you so much Chair. Simukela Maswati amahle. Lo mhlangano wami ungakusignala nje as emoji lapho ukuthi uyangiva. Ngingajabula kakhulu ukuthi niyangiva Maswati. Okay, no reaction. But ngicela kuchubeka Maswati lamahle, ngicela kunemukela Maswati kulo mnyaka lomusha wa 2026. 2025 was a great year. Sesibantu sesiphefumula kuba ukuthi unyaka lesuka kuwo all the time sifuna ukuthi unyaka lomubi. We never acknowledge the year that we have come out of. We always refer to the past years as unyaka lomubi. Angifuni ukubone lomusha mhlawumbe abangcono. Ngicela ukusho Maswati ukuthi unyaka longcono masikhaba ukuthi unyaka uzosebenzisa nguwe appreciate nguwe vele for you to come out as gold you need to go to the rough then you will come out as gold. Amandla omnotho siyamalunga lamahle siyanamukela nje nalokukhuluma ngo-Vice Chairman wamandla omnotho eSwatini ngaphi kwaDlamini. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi lapha sijonge ngamalunga amandla omnotho inze futhi lamalunga lakhona represent ama-organizations abo la khona under amandla omnotho bakhona boMoringa bakhona boGoatee all the other spheres lesinawo under amandla omnotho. And ngiyakholwa futhi ukuthi bakhona nalabanye mhlambe la sebama-potential members amandla omnotho asijoyinile namuhla. Siyanamukela kakhulu Maswati. Sihlangana nje umhlangano wethu kulo mnyaka wa 2026. Lo hlelo lwethu leMaswati ngicela ukuthi silihambise kanje. Ukhona president wethu wamandla omnotho international asemukela asimukele naye kusifisela nje umnyaka lomusha lomuhle lesucalako. Kodwa angakangeni president ngicela ukuhlangana bonza amalunga nemukele babentshalonjali ngofintshalonjali. Dr. Semukela thina singaMaswati amandla omnotho eSwatini. Over to you ngofintshalonjali. Ngiyayibona i-comment lapha nompumelelo njalo ukuthi my voice is breaking. I'm going to try and find a better internet network. Then ngizawuchubeka from there. Ngicela ukuthi babentshalonjali please take over uchubeke nekwamukele Maswati kulo mhlangano lesibhekene kuwo. Please unmute babentshalonjali. Okay, angathi chairman ukuthi ingabe ngakuye i-network
Angathi
iyangiphikisa yini?
ngiyavakala yini Maswati?
Siyabonga babe, besithi unmute babe sitokufa. Thank you. Ngicela uqhubeke chairman.
Okay. Siyabonga kakhulu Vice kulolu hlelo lesingene kilo nalomhlangano lomhle kangaka noma nje indzawo lokiyo iyakhatha uhle ungavakali angathi ukuthi singayilungisa kanjani kodwa nje ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngimukele eMaswati onke nalabangekho kangwane nabozakwethu eSouth Africa emave lakhona laba representile la ku Zoom meeting. Maswati sibonga nje ukuthi sigcinekile waphela umnyaka sibuya ku big conference la khona sasiphethe emagama lamathathu lathi implement so ngidonembukela nje ngalamagama lamathathu kokuthi ngumnyaka weku-implementa lo ngumnyaka wekokuthi konke lesikukhulumile singa amandla omnotho ebese siya-implementa nalokusendleleni nalokutako nakokuthi ke sitawusebenta kanjani ngicela nje kwanyalo ukuthi nginemukele ngalawo magama lamathathu implement and implement ngiyabonga Vice.
Thank you chairman. For purposes of the network malunga ngicela kungasactivate cabanga ukuthi sengiyevakala manje. Lapho ngikhona khona ngisola ukuthi network very slow so mase ngifaka le video bese seya compromise. Thank you kakhulu babe chairman. Ngiyethemba Maswati siyeva ukuthi kulomnyaka sidimisele ngekuthi siyasebenta siya implementa kulelo chaza lokulo nje nalo lo mengakhona yenda sure ukuthi lokho lesithi sitawukwenda kulomnyaka ugcine uyakwenda. Ngalawo magama lawo ngicela ukuthi semukele president babe Gugulethu Xaba, the founder and the developer of Amandla Omnotho, the man who is always behind us, the man who always believes in us, the man who wants to see the development of Eswatini. Lofuna kubona iEswatini ingena ku-economical map hayi nje kuphela ngaletinye tintfo but naku economy sibalwe internationally not Africa kuphela. Ngicela kukwemukela babe Gugulethu Xaba usemukele Maswati kulomnyaka wa 2026. Over to you.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Vice. Nami I will just switch on and off a video so that you are assured ukuthi I'm not yet the robot. Greetings to eMaswati. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. It's a pleasure ukuthi namhlanje sibe la kwi-first session ye-virtual meeting yamandla omnotho eSwatini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu chair and vice chair and your committee. I think ngiye ngacela ku-chair ukuthi mine ngindedele ngo-half past ngoba ningidedele ngo-half past ngoba nginenye i-engagement. Kodwa it's an honor ukubona nikhona Maswati ni la kule platform lapho sizokhuluma khona ngamandla omnotho. My welcoming remarks and note is based on the mission yamandla omnotho very briefly because I think niyayadi nonke ikuthi what exactly amandla omnotho is about. Njobe seshilo Vice ukuthi it's about developing eMaswati, working with you eSwatini to help you develop. You are supposed to be the ones leading as eMaswati and as citizens zase Swatini who know your country better and who feel closer to your country and closer to the challenges and fisa ukuzibona ziba sorted, especially with space economy where as eMaswati you must drive your own economies and you must drive your own economic development working with your government and with your institutions both Eswatini as well as in the region and internationally. So just to refresh your memories that our vision is three-dimensional. It's Amandla Umnotho, it's Operation Mbuyele Ekhaya, as well as Rural Chamber of Commerce and Industry. What that means is the Amandla Umnotho gives that information to all entrepreneurs. It's a platform that does exactly that, which is what you are now doing, and which I do hope you will have a consistency in the next 12 months to make sure at least, like we discussed before, twice a month you hold sessions ezizosiza eMaswati to be well equipped on matters of economy and understanding economics, because this is a continuous learning process. Ekufanele sonke as Africans to be always ahead of the curve and get to be informed and to teach, educate, and share one with another all issues economic, so that sizokhulani sonke as eMaswati. So I just wish for you a consistency from that background, so that nizokhula sikhule sonke. Baya bathi-ke, if you fail and in learning and you think that you know it all, you are as good as dead. None of us know it all, including issues that we think we know, we may be specialists in, but as soon as you come out of varsity, it becomes obsolete immediately, because there is a huge generation of new knowledge even in your area of expertise. So that's why you have to keep yourself up to date, keep abreast with new information and knowledge, so that you can understand and adapt to the ever-changing environment. Because people are creative, they've got God nature of being a creator. They keep coming up with new concepts, new things. And that's why it's important in knowledge sharing, the platform you're sharing about, you invite politicians, you invite technocrats, bureaucrats, you invite private sector people, you invite specialists talking about. Actually, once you are geared to doing that, if it were possible, we would have meetings literally every day, because knowledge out there is in abundance. So legal knowledge, how do you structure companies? How do you make sure when you are growing as a business, you put up systems in your business so that you can be successful? How do you do intergenerational transfer and wealth? And etc. etc. The knowledge ngiyanifisela ke Maswati ukuthi nibe consistent kulesi sikhathi, especially to our executive, nibheke at different topics. You will not lack any topic to discuss on a Saturday, because topics are so much and knowledge is so much. You can invite others, both local and abroad, to just come and talk. And secondly, the Operation Mbuyele Ekhaya, I wish for you to understand, that's a wing that has to do with eMaswati. The 1.2 or so million eMaswati are not only 1.2, they are over 2 million eMaswati. Those that are in South Africa, those are spread everywhere across the world, who love your country, who would like to come back and plow back. But people are busy somewhere out there, and they don't even have time to sometimes think about where they were born. But they need to be reminded by you as Amandla Umnotho to say, come back, let's have this big conference. Chair and Vice Chair and your team, I'm looking forward to you saying this year we'll have Operation Mbuyele Ekhaya reunion of eMaswati. That will be graced maybe by His Majesty or everybody who is big in Eswatini, to encourage the reinvestment back into Eswatini. This happened in KwaZulu-Natal some years ago, when the certain premier and Ndebele at the time called all the eMaswati, the KwaZulu-Natal people who are resident in Johannesburg, Gauteng. So the meeting was in Gauteng. Sometimes you may even have a meeting not only in Eswatini, but in Gauteng or in other provinces in another country to say, as a Maswati, we just want to be part of developing our country. Please help us develop. Banding Abantu would really want to be part of that. So, and then the last part, it's Rural Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which some of you were party to when we recently launched. That platform is to make sure we package the assets in our rural activities, rural environments, mining, agriculture, you name it, to make sure we get to occupy our rural spaces. In South Africa, this space is going to be closing up pretty soon. As you would know, the political economy maybe of South Africa. I think the political economy of Eswatini, Tinkundla, where you come from, you need to plug in and create economic activities like we're doing in Sikwe right now. Because there's development that must be led by you, Emaswati. Kungabi kuphela ama Pakistanis, ama Indians, abelungu who drive, as much as some of them are Emaswati, but we need Emaswati Mbamba to be the ones that drive their own economy. So that is, I think I wanted to share with you, Chair, in my opening remarks in terms of welcoming you, but as well as inform you that there's projects amaningi that we'll be driving this year, which we have started driving. And this year, again, I wish you well in your quest to get funding to come with me to where is this place? To
Taiwan.
Taiwan, yes. So I wish for you, I've spoken to the organizers, they will give you until next month, hoping that you can be able to come to Taiwan. There will be such trips that will be happening this year, not only Taiwan, Dubai, and many others, but two, for this year, we've got a conference, Amandla Mnoto, 26th to 28th of March, immediately after Taiwan, where we'll be dealing with a lot of things to try and make sure we make sense of our economies, but more than anything else, we work to integrate people into the economic activities of their countries. So we've got the conference, 26th, it's a golf day, 27, 28, fully fledged conference, Amandla Mnoto. We'll be launching there the Global Entrepreneurship Fund. We'll be having speakers coming from UK, from UAE, Dubai, you name it, and possibly from the States, US, and South Africa, etc. Actually, I was even thinking this time around, I must try and see if I can gamble and invite one of your ministers to come and be part of the conference. And so this is going to be very interesting. I'm asking all of you to please make sure that you make your way to South Africa. You will benefit a lot. So ngiyabonga kakhulu, Vice, for giving me this opportunity. I truly appreciate, and I pray with yonke ndihambe kahle kini nonke. And yeah, so ngiyabonga. God bless you as you continue with the meeting.
Siyabonga Nonkosi, siyabonga Shwabata. Siyabonga nje kusithandza kakhulu nje singemaswati. Nekusihluphekela nje nekusinakekela Shwabata. Sicela ukuthi nawe uNkulunkulu aqhubeke agcine uqhubeka ubeka kanye nathi. Ngicela ukuthi Maswati
yakho namhlanje SMS ukhozi ku-44419
Nombilelo, thank you. Ngiyethemba Maswati siyamuva president ukuthi ukhuluma ukuthi ama projects asemaningi kakhulu, and president asigcini ke kuba naye kule platform. Yes, utawuhle asijoyina to abreast us njengama platforms kulenye Zoom nje sitake sihoste yena kube nguye lo sithatha from A to Z ngema projects la khona la fanele ukuthi asukume eve naseSwatini. Manengi kakhulu Maswati, manengi kakhulu. Uthe president makayicala indzaba yamandla omnotho wabuka sivele simnyama ukuthi ngathi sisalele emuva. Sivele simnyama sigcina sima laborers kuphela. asidlali lichaza la ekuqaleni ekuthuthukiseni umnotho. So kube mcoka ke kuye president liphupho lakhe ukuthi ayisukume indzaba yamandla omnotho nesivele simnyama naso sibonakale siphatheka lapha kuthuthukiseni umnotho emaveni onke. Njengoba sisho ukuthi amandla omnotho is international, eNigeria sowukhona, eZimbabwe sowukhona, eBotswana bowulonshwa, naseSwatini ulontshiwe ke malunga maswati lamahle. So siyakholwa ukuthi ngeke sisalele emuva, ngeke sive ukuthi lamanye amave sembili thina solo sisalele emuva. Kucukutela nje maswati ukuthi asichubeke nathi sitinikele kulawo ma portfolios lesitifake kiwo, lapho sithe masi attend i-conference khona seva ukuthi naku lapho ngadlala khona lichaza, singesabi maswati kusonzela ku committee amandla omnotho. Kuliqiniso futhi maswati ukuthi sitaba nawo ama-Zoom meetings, sicela ukuthi maswati nicukutelane niwa attend lama Zoom meetings. Yathi kuye kube likhuni nje na ukuthi u-attend umhlangano bese sekuchamuka umuntu uyakubuta ukuthi bekuthiwani lemhlanganweni. I always believe the second voice loyivako iba filtered, ayibi the on point ukuthi lo muntu bekakhuluma athini. So kumcoka ukuthi umuntu ativele ukuthi bekuthiwani malunga. So siyacela ukuthi nje lapho kulama groups lenikiwo, kulama portfolios lenikiwo, imane nicucutelane malunga mase kufika isikhathi sek-invitewa emhlanganweni amandla omnotho. Sitawuchubeka nathi ke malunga sinilandzelele njengemalunga ikomiti yamandla omnotho, kuhle sihle sihlola ukuthi senihambe kanganani, because njengoba asho chairman, this year we are all about implement. So for that reason ngesihle sinconcotha nje ukuthi senihambe kanganani, nishoda ngani, nidzinga ini, senikutholile lokhu senihambe kanganani. We are aware nje ukuthi labanye batawucala batabe emhlanganweni lomunye bekhulumisa ibamboo ukuthi itawuhamba ibhekephi. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi basijoyinile nabo lamuhla. So sicela ukuthi malunga nibe active lapho kulama portfolios enu, lapho kulama committee enu, lapho kulama groups enu lenijoyine kuwo. Anginganzi kakhulu ke malunga bengisakhulumisa nje lokhu bekubekwa the foundation bekayileya president, ngithi nje asengichubeke ngikhulume letikwayo. Ngicela singene to the business of today. The business of the day, ngitawuniketa chairman utasidlalela nje ngakunye ukuthi what are we doing this year and yini lesifuna kuyibona yendeka this year. Then ekugcineni khona lesitabe sesiyakukhuluma again ukuthi sitabe senta ini. Over to you, chairman.
Thank you so much, Vice. Siyabonga nje kakhulu nemavi lo khulume ngawo lo washoko nekubamba nje lo mhlangano. Angiqale nje ngikubonga kupresident noma sahambile kusilela ifoundation. Kunemagama la wakhulumile lapha ngeglobal funding. So ngithi nje angiqale eMaswatini ngibonge bese ngibongile kokusho eMaswati njengoba sithi sifuna ku-implementa sinema project ke maningi kakhulu kodwa nje ngicela ukukhuluma ngale few lekhona mhlambe ngingakafiki kiwo emqondweni wamandla omnotho executive eSwatini. Sinetinkulumo noma ke vele lesike sathi khuluma nema plans ke yes njengoba president asashilo ngenzaba ye global funding ukuthi funding is not a problem. Funding will be there because sine sibulawa ukuthi into letimbili ukuthi we need market, we need funding, and isifuna ukuthembisa eMaswati simandla omnotho eSwatini ukuthi those two sidilile ngato. Those two siyawathembisa eMaswati nge-funding, siyawathembisa eMaswati ngemakethe, into lekhona leyo. So ke sitokuqela ke eMaswatini ukuthi asisukumeni sonke sibambisaneni and onke eMaswati mhlambe nalama institutions ala kangwane sibe nato tingogo lesithi ke kulomnyaka sifuna ukuthi babe khona bangakhulumi upolitiki noma balingise ama politician bathembise lide ligama lesibabambe ngalo thina implementation. So siplaneke lokho ukuthi sitabo bafaka noma ke sitabo recommenda ukuthi njengoba nasithi le project le i-viable bathembe ukuthi i-viable ngoba thina sidabe sibaproducele konke kuze ukuthi noma ngangibaningi nasithi Maswati sukumani sesifuna kulima banana hambani niye lapha kule institution noma sisabuke yangaphandle i-funding but nala kangwane bayafuna ngoba nabo bayasho bathi imali izijike ngoba eMaswati are not aware of that. eMaswati futhi nawo asho athi inkinga nasifika le tinto labakhuluma lapha emhlanganweni nabasibitile akusito labatenda le mase sifike kibo sifuna ke kuluze naloko sikhakhe lokho ukuthi naku kulethwa amandla omnotho ukuthi nathi le tinto letifunekako nathi uma usutendile wena tonga amandla omnotho avele asho ukuthi njoba wende kanje ayisibona indlela yokuthi ungete wafandwa kule project lena. So sinema project sina Moringa labanengi lebesikhuluma ngayo njengoba kune group la siya confirm ukuthi Moringa iproject yekwenda diesel isesekhona futhi iyaqala this year. So siyaqela ke ukuthi labangenele ngoba njoba lama project ngeke uwangene lonke kufuna nawo ungawangenelela ukhona but ke sifuna lokuthi sikhona lokwathi ukuthi ubani ungalabani wenda ukuthi noma sesisitana sathi ukuthi siyasitana. So ke sinenzaba ya Moringa yekwenda diesel la kaNgwane lefaka abantu bangaphesheya uyikhulumile eShwabathi leyo project leyo eMaswati iyodwana ifuna 40,000 hectares. Government usinike 20,000 hectares kuphela. So eMaswati akangatithengisa indzawo tabo awatibeke ngoba siyeta ngaMoringa sifuna ukuthi siulime eMoringa and kubenefit eMaswati ekulimeni kwaMoringa. Sine turmeric le uthi nawubala letibalo tayo umangale ukuthi ingabe kuliqiniso lokho ukuthi le turmeric batayithatha ngemali lengaka li hectare ngaba imali lengaka sike sasho kulabe bakhona emihlanganweni ngulenye iproject le viable even la eSouth Africa kuyashoda kusupply iMoringa. Sinenzaba emabhontshisi eIndia labafuna tons and tons 25,000 tons if I'm not mistaken per month but eMaswati sisengakhona. So iproject lekhona le kufuneka 1,000 wetinkomo eTaiwan lesingakhona ngokuthi singaba naye yini iproject lekhona leyo imarket lekhona leyo lengafandwa noma engangibani na umembi kwakhe ayiva le project nokuthi ithatha kangakanani. Sine project ya banana eMaswati sifuna ukuthi sakhe emaphetsi ngabanana iproject lesevele iqalile iyasebenza leyo kuboza kwethu nje eSouth Africa ba supply ba deliver kubo India overseas thineke amandla omnotho sawubamba le Africa yonke. So eMaswati kufanele alime ke banana ayakhumbula labeka khona ku conference kufanele ulime banana lo banana lo utawusita wena uphinze futhi usite nokuthi sisebenzise wona kwakha la maphetsi. Sine project eqathulo leseyiqaliwe iyakhiwa eSigwe le Maswati atawusitakana lama suppliers atawubuya acuphe ngeprice lencane afake letikolwa afake lapha nalapha kusitakale eMaswati kufuneka tikhumba Maswati all types of tikhumba. Ngiyakholwa nje ukhona pro wethu lana lo wenda leyo project yetikhumba lo wathi lonke lihlobo lesikhumba wakwakhuluma nje ngamangala ukuthi ngisho isikhumba sengulube siyafuneka. So Maswati konke lokho dinto letikhona etandleni temandla omnotho kulomnyaka lesifuna ukuthi ti-implement njengoba sisho nje ukuthi eSigwe iqaliwe iyakhiwa i-factory August kumele besicala sesisebenta sakha lonke lihlobo lwesicathulo already sesinabo labanye ema-investors lathi nawo afuna kubambisana nathi athenge ama-shares kude futhi nalo valelekile kuloko. So ngiko ngithi Maswati munengi lo msebenzi sikhuluma ngabamboo uyibuthinsile vice lapha ngokuthi nje abantu abanemhlangano kuyokhulunywa ngabamboo sinale market yako konke lokho singamandla omnotho lokungasiso scam. Ngakho ke sithi Maswati kulomnyaka ake usukume athi umuntu ukukhulumisa lokubheka eceleni noma athi ubhala lokubheka eceleni egroupini uvele ukuthi it's time to implement. It's time to implement. So nguloko Maswati ukuthi sicela ukuthi ke nonke kube ngiloyo asho ukuthi mina ngifuna kungenela naku mina ngifuna kungenela naku sitowakha lama groups siwanike nema leaders akhona sitokwathi kwahambela naleti indzawo sihambe siyodibona emiphakathini ukuthi vele bakunikile lo ndzawo ngoba umuntu lomunye utawubona ngazuthi sewuphambili so ufuna kukwemuka mhlambe lo mnye sowenda into lebhlungu yokuthi akufakele into leyawenda ukuthi nayifika le phambili bathi lana ufaka umuthi lo ngasuye ufake poison kwendekala we need ukuthi sinilanzelele Maswati sibe nani iexecutive angeke ilale kulomnyaka so manengi lama project siyathi ke bohemba ukuthi kusengafiki kutheni kube legalize manje lama project la ngabala manengi ngesimo sokhona lo sangiDecember manengi kakhulu there are more than 40 something project but kusafuna ke ukuthi sicale ngalawa Maswati sisebente ngawo sibone ingako ke ngithi siyaqela Maswati asibambisaneni yonke imihlangano ingenelele ungabe sesobuya ngalo ukuthi kodwa benikhuluma ngani but sicela nje ukuthi Maswati asibambeni lento si develop eMaswati sithi develop it's time to develop ourselves. That's why we don't want investors but we want developers bantu labatawu developer individual buyele ekhaya siyo developer emakhaya sifake lamafeme emashayina siwabuyiselele emakhaya labanetitolo bakwati labantu labasebenza la emafemini kuthenga labanemabhuchari bakhona kuthenga imishibo labogogo babe netindlu zokuqashisa labantu si develop from grassroots from emfaneni lomncane nabalima esikolweni leyo mali leyo ithathe ibekwe lokho ukuthi lo mntwana utawuya euniversity ngelinye ilanga asebenzise le mali lebekayiqale ufunza ngebusiness ngekuthi sebenda amngane ngiloko Maswati ngithi angininginenge ngako lamahle ngiyanathi nigude kulaleleni ngiyanathi futhi nje ngiyanithemba ukuthi kulomnyaka akunawuphakama emandla omnotho nje kuphela but live la kangwane litawuthuthuka and siyanithembisa onke lama speakers lebe kakhuluma ngalama project sitawabuyisa la sithi sitsheleni lokho lesifuna ukukuva imakethe ikuphi sathi ukuthi sibhaleleni letter of intent ukuthi vele na imakethe emabhange bofika konke batawugijima balandzele thina bathi sifuna ukuthi batawubangisana ngathi ngoba because of the viability of the business. Vice sengikhulume kakhulu ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ngiyakholela ukuthi emalunga nawo kukhona la ta ku-eda mhlambe nami lengakakufaki ngiyabonga kakhulu Nkosi.
Thank you kakhulu Chairman. Thank you kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu Chairman. Emavelo wakhuluma ke eMaswatini. Ngicabanga ukuthi eMaswati yatibuta nje na ukuthi nina nalibala ukukhuluma ukuthi thina sitawusebenza thina. Ngithi sitawu developer. Thina sijwayele ukuthi kuta ima-investor to developer live. Maswati kucala kwa amandla omnotho eSwatini satibuta njena noma angithi Chairman babeni njalo wabuta njena ukuthi ungaba njani for a change kufunwe imakethe kuthiwe Maswati sebentani nayi imakethe nekuthi kutawuthiwa hey umsebenzi ukhona eSwatini kune cheap labor eSwatini buya uto investor khona because liqiniso lithi malunga umuntu lothi qhamukela even lakhe naye ufuna ukutakhela umnotho wakhe abuyele nawe ekhaya. So this time around amandla omnotho is saying sifuna imakethe siyabuya sawatshela Maswati kufuneka emadata kuphi vuyani emadata Maswati kufuneka umtfolo kuphi limana umtfolo. So i-approach yamandla omnotho injalo nje Maswati anginganzi kakhulu ngicela ukuthola i-response Maswati uma kukhona lone question makukhona lone comment ngitamniketa nje lelithuba leli ukuthi aphakamise isandla singakachubeki neprogram yethu yanamuhla itaba imfisha kakhulu Maswati because vele bekunemukela nje lamuhla ukuthi siyabonga ukungena eminyakeni wa-2026 ukhona yini lona mbuto Maswati? Ngibona sandla lapha kunompumelelo njali. Your reaction please.
Siyabonga ku-President, sibonge ku-Eswatini Executive Committee for this meeting. Mine is kulama projects lenwabalako leadership. How does one participate? Will there be noma mina I've missed some of the meetings. Ikhona yini indlela lesho ukuthi okay mawufuna kungenela le project le wenda nje mawufuna kungenela le project le wenda nje kungena labanjani the requirements, the conditions, terms and conditions kube sobala nje opportunities langaka. And also thanking the President of Amandla Omnotho for bringing such initiatives in our country. We truly grateful, Baba. So that's my question. Over.
Thank you Njali. Cela kubona ukuthi khona into omunye lonembuto ngakabuyiseli ku-Chairman. Any other reaction? Over to you, Chair.
Siyabonga kakhulu Vice, siyabonga nesikhulumi. Umbuto lomhle kakhulu lo la ubutako ngokuthi mangabe ngifuna kungena kule project le kufanele ngende njani. Kukhona yini noma mhlambe kufanele ngibe nelibala noma ngibe nesibongo sa-Chairman. Cha, akunjalo zide. La bengithi utayikhuluma nje Vice kokuthi kutaba nalama requirements ekokuthi ukuze ukhone nje kakhulu la ekuqaleni ukuze ukhone kokuthi ube limember noma ke ube kule project ukhone nekulanzeleleka uthole nako konke lokufanele kokuthi eMaswati sitawaqela kokuthi vele kube khona lokho ukuthi noma ngangiphi project lo tayingenela but nje uyasubscribe Amandla Omnotho sayibeka icela ukuthi nje mangabe bongasilo lelungu usale utenda ube lilunga ngalokufanele. Sibonga nje nalokuthi emqondweni ube nako lokubona sikhulume ukuthi cha lama project available, lama project mahle kakhulu futhi makhulu kakhulu atawusita eMaswati. So nje kafishane lama requirements ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi Vice nayo utawu-add kiwo lokho ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sende njani, sidinga ukuthi sende njani. Kodwa kude kokuthi kufanele ube nelibala lenjani. Wena nje uma ngabe unenzawo yekulima ufuna kulima kuphelile. As long nje indzawo iyakho kuphelile ngoba lokunye Amandla Omnotho atawusita lokho ukuthi nangabe kukhona atalukati nalamakhehla la ngakhona ukuthi angalima athi bandla bami nayo injawo yekusebentela sikwathi ukuthi gogo thina sitakuniketa ke lokungaka njalo uma sesivunile Amandla Omnotho ke akhona ukuthi asite kanjalo. Angathi noma ngiyaphendula kahle yini Vice, ngicela ukuthi u-add nawe lapho.
Thank you kakhulu Chairman. Malunga usho yona Chairman uteka yona sibili Chairman. Ngicabanga ukuthi malunga lesifisa ukwedlulisa nanamuhla bekutabanga ngiko kona lokho as part of our program ukuthi sitaw circulator joining forms. Ma-joining forms ataba electronical siyaxolisa nje kulabo labangathi basesema BBC aba born before computers but nje we'll make it convenient for everyone. Sitawenda lawa abo born before computers siwende nalawa labo labakhona ukungena kulama link ba register. Lapho ke sitawukhona nalokubona your place of interest ukuthi interested ngakuphi kakhulu kuloko lokutabe kubhaliwe lapha mhlambe agriculture mhlambe industrial usasidevelopela media wethu sitabe sesiyakucirculate ke lokho malunga. Then lokwesibili akukhulumako Chairman ngicabanga ukuthi sike sayithi halamisi leyo ndzaba malunga masivala umnyaka lophelile ukuthi sitawucela vele malunga ukuthi simane subscribe to Amandla Omnotho kuze ukuthi i-organization yethu itawukhula ikhona kusebenta ifinyelele lapho idzinga ukuthi ifinyelele khona. It is true malunga ukuthi uma sikhuluma nge-subscriber sidinga nekwenta ama-auditings and financial statements. So those are the things that we will adhere to make sure ukuthi timali tenu atisebenziseki kabi. Sengingangena nje nakuleyo malunga but ngingakangeni kuleyo mhlawumbe ngicale kunaye la khuluma ngayo president yekuya eTaiwan ngaMarch malunga kune expo ngicabanga ukuthi labangena emhlanganweni wekuvalelisa lo mnyaka lophelile amandla omnotho South Africa bayiva indzaba ye-expo technological and techno expo letabe se-Taiwan lapho kwathiwa khona ipackage ing 40,000 lefake ekhathi accommodation ifake ekhathi lithikithi return ticket ifake ekhathi nje tonke tinto letabe tentiwa khona le eTaiwan kanye network. So that value of 40,000 be valid for December only. Beku special leso. Nyalo loku sesingala kweminyaka seyiku 49,000 imali yeke Taiwan. So anyone who's interested kuya khona malunga ngicabanga ukuthi ema forms nale expo poster lapha egroupini emalunga abone ku amandla omnotho ku onke ama groups nje sitawuposta malunga. Ngiko chairman bekacela ukuthi sicela ukuthi nithi gozololo kancane lokufaka ama repetitive adverts khona ndawusheshe nithi ibone timvo letichamuka ku amandla omnotho eSwatini letikhulumisa emalunga. So sitawafaka ke lama forms ekugcwaliswa mawunayo le mali ekuya khona le siphinza siyifake nale program yakhona le eTaiwan. If there's any other requirement nitayidzinga malunga nitasatisa, then we will follow up with that one. Ma requirements mangikhuluma ma requirements ngikhuluma nje for instance laba mhlambe batawudzinga ema invitation letter sitawukhuluma nje siyikomiti ukuthi how do we assist on that part malunga, then we will assist where we can. Then malunga bengisabuyela ke kulendzaba ema subscriptions ukuthi malunga sikhulumile last year ukuthi ama subscriptions annual subscriptions ku amandla omnotho is 500 emalangeni, and if you feel ukuthi awukhona ukufinyelela ku 500 emalangeni per annum shothi nje imali ongayithi gcinga January but mawungakhona kuyifaka le mali enganga 500 sicelile ke malunga ukuthi itawuthi 50 emalangeni per month. Labanye batawuthi mos 50 emalangeni so amount to 600 per annum. Kuliciniso malunga vele lenye seyifaka ema administration costs kule mali ya monthly. Kukuwe ke lunga le amandla omnotho ukuthi ubona ukuthi ungafaka monthly noma ungafaka nje lesihlomula sonke sa 500 per annum. Malunga, this will help amandla omnotho go a very long way. We've had to fork out some of the trips ngiyabekisa from our pockets. Siyikomiti lapho kudzingeka siyobonana khona nabo minister sifanele siyobonana khona nema MPs eParliament. There's a lot of activities nje malunga lesiwendako singa amandla omnotho. Then lokunye futhi lokutasita khona lo subscription, it just shows your commitment ukuthi uma ulunga la amandla omnotho kufanele ukuthi sibe sesiyakusukumela. Yes malunga kuliciniso ukuthi sifisa ukuthi onke amalunga emaswati adevelope, onke emaswati siwabone adlala lichaza lelitsite, kodwa siyafuna kuyibona nehlitiyo yakho malunga ukuthi uyafisa ukubona le nhlangano ithuthuka ikhula nayo iya embili. Bese ke malunga sesiyanatisa ngenyanga ukhona na treasurer nje lapha kulomhlangano utawukhona kusatisa ngenyanga ukuthi simephi sisebenze sabhekaphi besiyokwendani sibuya nani. So we will not use your imali maswati budlapha malunga, sifuna kuyibona isebenta lendzaba yamandla omnotho. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kube i-reflection leyendiwe ikomiti malunga. Amandla omnotho is 2 years old last year lapha eSwatini, or it's 1 year old la eSwatini. It's 2 years this year, but we haven't moved an inch. Asikakhona kuhamba nje sigajanyana lesibonakalako because of the very same reason ukuthi we were financially prohibited malunga. So kulo-ke malunga sicela ukuthi sisitane kiko, sigcwalise ama-forms, sigcwalise ama-interest ethu, sigcwalise konke kube precise and kuvakale kahle ukuthi ufuna kudlala liphi iqhaza, phindze futhi bese sesiya-subscribe malunga. Angathi noma treasurer kukhona yini lafisa ukungeda noma utawube sesowuposta le account number khona lapha egroupini. Ikhona i-account malunga ise-FNB Gables, so ngulapho utawube soyiposta khona. Treasurer, your reaction? Okay, treasurer ngibona ngathi akasekho, ngiyabona ulahlwe network. Uyabuta umnaketfu lapha mana ngisawubona lo mbuto. Ngiyathanda imibuto ukuthi ibe khona malunga. Uyabuta babesifiso, ngabe lo mnyaka ucala nini wamandla omnotho? Noma is January to December umnyaka wahulumende April to March? Malunga umnyaka wethu ucala uhamba calendar year. Uhamba calendar year umnyaka wethu. So sicala January malunga. Lokuthi sicala January asisho ukuthi sifisa ukuthi uyithi hadla nyalo January. Singajabula kakhulu malunga. But mawuta ubhadala bo-R50 and wahluleka kuyifaka kuleti nyanga leti semuva, then you would have to cover those months up malunga. But nje siyacela ukuthi nizame loku contributor towards le subscription ekuqaleni kweminyaka. On that note futhi malunga ngicela ukuthi siwatise malunga lamanye kulama platforms ethu lamanye. Sitayifaka nale breakdown yalama subscriptions siphinde siyiposte kulama platforms lamanye. Siyathi malunga ukuthi we very limited. Thina sibona lama groups labhalwe amandla omnotho, so that is the only platform lapho sikhona khona ukukhulumisana khona. Any other platforms atiwa ngini malunga, so sitawucela ukuthi le breakdown esitayibhala ndabe seniyayendlulisa nindlulisela kulamalunga lamanye. I thank you. Unless there's any other question or any other comment, I will be waiting for your reaction malunga lamahle aseswatini. Tembisile, are you saying something? Mbona, you are unmuted. Are you reacting to something?
Ngiyabonga ngiyabonga Chairperson. Sibonge i-information lesenisiphe yona iyasikhuthaza kakhulu. Siyafisa nje kwenta tonke letinto. Fanele Chairperson lengakakuva indzaba ye-gold farming angathi noma yona isele njani noma sisayibeka eceleni for the time being. Ngokungaba ngiloko Chair. Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu Sisithembisile. Cha malunga kude ama-projects lasalele emuva. Onke ama-projects siyawa highlighta nje nalamanye in absentia, Moringa siyibalile, Magodomana sikawabali. Sithi nje malunga sisanemukela kulo mnyaka lomusha, sicela nje ukuthi nibe active kuleyo mikhakha yenu enikiyo. Ngenhlanhla ke malunga ngichazile nalokuthi ikomiti itawufeaturisha kuwo onke lama platforms enu. Nisicela ukuthi nisemukele nje kulama platforms enu. Ngiyabonga nje ukuthi bangemukela leka goat farming ma-goat farmers. So Dimvo lesicela ukuthi nibe aware ngato malunga ukuthi vele we will be there and we'll be checking on you ukuthi kukhona yini movement lekhona. So i-goat farming ayikasalele emuva. Ube khona umnaketfu Mbendulo last year ku conference wasichazela nje imakethe ukuthi itawuhamba njani. Sitawuba naye again on Zoom njengoba sisho malunga ukuthi iZoom yethu itawuchubeka kube khona ama-engagements esiba nawo nalabanengi. Khona lo mye sisi nje lesitamfaka very soon lokhuluma Kiyosaki. Ngiyathemba labaningi bayamazi Kiyosaki lwabhala incwadi lethi Rich Dad Poor Dad, who will be having a conference in Cape Town this year and then have another one in Johannesburg. So Sisi Tumi lo letsa Kiyosaki ufuna kuchecka nje ukuthi ngabe eMaswati angafisa yini kumhosta yena Kiyosaki. Then if not, singakhona ukubuthana siye eSouth Africa eJozi siyo representa eSwatini. What he's teaching about is money management, how you make money, how you manage your money, how you manage finances towards your success. So sitamhosta na eTumi utasichazela lokho. I mean nje Maswati ngaloku sengiyadigressa. In short, all I'm saying is sitabahosta bonke labo labathintekako kulawo ma platforms noma lo ma portfolios lenikiwe malunga ningesabi. Thank you so much Sister Mbisile for that reaction. Ngiyethemba ukuthi ngibeka kona chair and esikhona lokusalako. Is there any other reaction before I nike chairman? I don't see any reaction. Maswati ngicela kubonga mina nalithuba lese ninginike lona. Then sinike lona amandla omnotho eSwatini. Ngesini nje ngalomsindo lo background. Ngibe ngikule umcimbi. But nje ngicela kunibonga Maswati kusemukela nekungena kulomhlangano. Ngicela ukuthi sichubeke sicudzelane bangaze basalele emuva babe baningi Maswati. Siyathanda lokuthi manicala iproject nisicale siyigroup sitawumeka sure ukuthi uma kudzingeka labo funding ngoba labanye bo funding batawuchamuka sebafuna i-deposit. Maso uma wedwa lapha so tawukhanza unale deposit siyakwekama usakhona kuyifaka. Ngiyabekisa nje ngalamanye ama-fundings batawuchamuka ngema-deposit. So uma kutawungena 2 or 3 webantu kulo mhlangano lapho sichaza khona ama-projects utawuthola ukuthi so ugijima wedwa so uyiva wedwa le project sekwenteka nako la kushoko chairman ukuthi so uthuthuka wedwa. Uthi lo munye you cannot be a rich man and build a mansion in a community of poor people. Uma vele imansion yakho ime yodwa lapha lamaceleni kwakho kugcwele bo stick and mud kugcwele nemikhukhu ngenteka ukuthi abantu batakungenele ebusuku bafune ukuthatha lo lengcebo yakho. So asiba invite ke malunga si-invite more participants sitawukhona ukuthi singemaswati sathi ukuthi sithuthuka kanye kanye kude labasalele emuva. Ngalawo magama ngicela kuvalelisa ngicela kubona namana yes, our subscriptions should start this year 2026. Thank you Nompumelelo njalo ubuta ukuthi should our subscription start this year 2026. Yes, malunga we've sicela ukuthi aqale this year 2026. Mutasi reconcilela secretary tawusho njena ukuthi bobani laba bangakhe labakhonile kusubscriber then siphinde sikhone kusebenza. Malunga ngiyabonga kakhulu nje kungihlonipha ngibonga nje nekunginiketa lelithuba lekuthi ngihoste lo mhlangano kakhulu kuwe chairman. Thanks to you and thank you to PRO kungethemba ukuthi ngidambambela kahle lelo hlelo lwakhe nekuhosta lo mhlangano. Ngicela kunivalelisa Maswati nginikete chairman asho amagama akhe ekugcina.
Oh, indeed, Gwala. You are a star. Ngakubona na ku conference. You nail it. Vele kungathi sekudawufuna ukuthi kuhlale kunjalo. Siyabonga kakhulu umsebenzi longaka Nkosi kusibambela umhlangano kahle kangaka. Siyabonga Maswati. Anginamagama nje lokuthi nisihloniphe ukuthi nishiye konke nithi nje akasiyolalela. Siyaqela Maswati mane siwuthandazele lo msebenzi lesiucalile siwuthandazele live la kaNgwane kusekhaya kithi netinkinga talo tethu tibhekene nathi kodwa lokuyawulungisa letinkinga ukuthi sisukume sithi develop thina. Nako lokuyawushintsha lesimo sende kokuthi ungahlala ku Facebook ku WhatsApp but wathi sikufuna ngiyochecka timbuti tami, funa ngiyochecka moringa wami, funa ngiyochecka banana ngunisele, una ngiyolungisa ngibukete inkomo tami ngibuke lokwa naloka ngicheck ebhambu wami. So siyabonga kakhulu Maswati nje kusihlonipha. Siyachubeka siyacela nje ukuthi ni-email kunanga kuposta ngoba nyalo nje sidrafta lokuthi every weekend sitoba nale mhlangano sesihambile sefika la Maswati. Maswati senikuphinini sekushodani naku ke lesokudzingeka yendani naku sukumani ke nende naku nyalo nikuthumele kanje. Siyabonga nje kakhulu Maswati. Ngithi nje uNkulunkulu angigcinele nine anibusise nonke Maswati nalabangekho nabangasiko ngoba bakhona nabase South Africa la bakhona nalaba kulanye emave mhlambe nalaba ngasiva ngale siswati. Kodwa nje sithi we really appreciate your time and thank you for every moment ukuthi nibe khona. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Vice. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much Maswati Lamahle. Sinitsanza ngekunitsanza kakhulu. Sinitsanza ngemagama lathi implement. I think i-committee seyicalile ya-implementa because we are supposed to be the forerunners of eMaswati. So siyanitsanza Maswati, sicela ukuthi ubusuku benu bube ngilobuhle kakhulu. Inkosi nibusise. Have a good evening.